Welcome aboard this beautiful 2006 Meridian 341 sedan, a perfect blend of comfort, style, and performance designed for both entertaining and extended cruising. Let's begin our tour right here at the spacious swim platform, which is perfect for water activities and easy boarding. The swim platform also has a davit system to secure the dinghy, and you will see to my left a Magma propane grill mounted to the rail, which is a great feature for grilling your favorites. Let's step inside the sliding door into the main salon. The Meridian 341 sedan offers a bright and airy interior thanks to a large panoramic windows that surround the entire space. Here you'll find a comfortable settee with plenty of seating, a convertible dinette, and warm wood finishes throughout. The salon's open layout is perfect for socializing, and there's also a flat screen TV and entertainment center to keep everyone entertained. Something that is also great is this cabinet here, which houses all of your batteries and switches. It is super convenient. Moving forward on the same level is the well-appointed galley. The galley features a refrigerator and freezer, a microwave, a 2-burner stove, and plenty of counter space. There's also abundant storage for all of your provisions and cooking essentials, making meal prep a breeze. Let's move down below. The Meridian 341 offers 2 private staterooms, a generous forward master suite with a large island berth, hanging lockers, and additional storage. It feels spacious in here. It's great. And as you can see, there is a spacious head and vacuum flush toilet and a stand-up walk-in shower. It feels plenty spacious in here for when you're out on the water and ready to clean up. Right down here is the comfortable guest stateroom. It has twin berths that can be transformed into a large bed for extra sleeping space. Plenty of room, feels nice and comfortable down here. Lovely, beautiful. All right, let's get ready to move. No tour is complete without a look at the expansive flybridge. One more quick look right through the salon. Let's go back out to the cockpit where we can go up the stairs. And as we get up to the top of the stairs, we are greeted with a commanding view and generous seating for guests. At the helm, you'll find a fully equipped station with excellent visibility. The instrumentation is clear and easy to read, and there's plenty of room for electronics and navigation gear. The controls are thoughtfully arranged, making operation straightforward for both new and experienced boaters. There's a wraparound settee with a table perfect for enjoying refreshments while underway or at anchor. The bridge is protected by a bimini top and isinglass, offering shade and comfort. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the 2006 Meridian 341. If you're looking for a well-equipped cruiser with a spacious layout and fantastic amenities, this is definitely worth a second look. Contact us today and schedule a viewing. For more information, we will see you out on the water.